So this is a P2R clutch that's going in my Acura CL Type S 2003 6-speed. We're also replacing the rear main crankshaft seal, and behind the cover there's an O-ring, okay, where it's leaking oil from. These are the part numbers for both those things. And I'm also replacing the clutch release bearing. Okay, there's a part number for that. Okay, so the pressure plate just came in. All right, check it out. I got it for like $130, $140 on eBay. And I'm just gonna use a pressure plate for this. I like it because it's not spring loaded like the LUK pressure plate. So you don't have to worry about adjusting it, pushing it down and adjusting the springs. It also came with a clutch and the release bearing, but I'm not going to use that. I'm actually using the OEM one from Honda. Keep in mind that every time you're replacing the clutch, you also have to replace the pressure plate and resurface the flywheel, of course, or else you're going to end up burning your clutch again, and it's going to end up slipping again. So, new pressure plate, new release bearing, okay, new clutch, and resurface the flywheel. So those will help you maintain your clutch, really healthy and good. All right, you guys, today's the day. I'm right here at Manny's Transmission Auto Repair. Okay, we're located in Los Angeles, Southern California. All right, so I got the Acura right here. The clutch just slipped really bad already. It's not grabbing nothing. Okay, there's a shop right here. This guy's a professional. I trust him and everything he does. Transmission guy, go to. All right, you guys, I picked up my car from the mechanic. So far, I love this clutch. It feels nice and stiff, and it's really grabbing. My goal is to break it in 500 miles on the street, not highway, so we can engage that clutch a lot. Shifting at 3,000 RPMs and driving like a granny. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, okay? Stay posted.